Hello, welcome to Aurelia's Book Club. So, this is called Aurelia's Book Club, and I want to share the books that I'm reading, my favorite books, and the books that are mostly on in my mind right now. So, let's start with the ones I'm reading right now. So, one book that I'm reading is the life story of Michelle Obama. With this, I am in page 41. And then I'm reading another Michelle Obama book, which is called in Finnish Valo meissä kaikissa. And this book, I'm in page 57. And I feel my experience with reading this Michelle Obama books, like I can feel the Michelle Obama's personality through this book. Like the way the book is written is like really characteristic like very like personality, like I sense like her personality when I'm reading the book, and it's inspiring. And yeah, these are the books I'm reading right now, and it's good to read these. So I'm reading these Michelle Obama books right now, and it's Michelle has an interesting personality and simplified to understand stuff and like stories and everything. These are dope. So these are the books I'm reading right now. And then just a couple days ago about this book. It's called You Are the Placebo Making Your Mind Matter. So I started reading this one, and sometimes I'm like, yo, the cover looks really cool and interesting, and then I like start reading it and I was like, yo, it's really easy to understand, for me at least. And it's like catchy to read. And I'm in I just started reading it like 2 days ago, and I'm in page 17. And till now I just got this really inspiring thought, like the power of mindset is the idea that came for me from this placebo. You are the placebo book. Just came this really strong idea of mindset, that if you have the right mindset, then things will shift. And I'm excited to keep reading this book. I just started reading it, but I just want to show you. And I think it's really powerful, just the idea of placebo. The idea of placebo is really powerful, and just the idea of mindset and the right mindset that can change your life. So yeah, I recommend reading the Michelle Obama books and the placebo book. You can definitely find, and this placebo book is written by Dr. Joe Dispenza. Dr. Joe Dispenza, if you're interested of buying that. Oh, my cat is now meowing. So next, I wanna share my favorite books that I really, really wanna say. So my favorite book of all time, I wanna share it because everybody deserves to know this book. So this is my favorite. I love this book. It's Brian Tracy. In Estonia, it's Omal jõul miljonäriks, and in English, it's Becoming a Millionaire by Yourself. It's the 21 Secrets of Becoming a Millionaire, and it's by Brian Tracy. Hopefully, if you're curious to read it, that you can find this book in English if you speak English and in Estonia. But this book is so simple to understand. There's not a one hardcore word in it. Like it's just like made really simple, and it's like basic points like discipline and dream big. And I have read it many times. I have like make notes and then I just read it again. It's like the most simple success book I ever had, and I'm just really happy this book ended up with me. I feel like even everyone can use this book because it's just so simple. And for me, when I read like money books, sometimes the words are really hard to understand. the words are hard to understand, like what? You don't get, like you have to read it many times, but this is really simple. And I feel like everybody can understand this book. This is like made simple. And yeah, for example, there's like dream big, have a goal, know what you want, do what you love, work harder, and like simply made stuff. And yeah, I really warmly recommend to read this Brand Race 21 Secrets of Becoming a Millionaire. I really recommend it. If one day I'm a millionaire, I will just, yeah, let's see. But this book is really simple. I feel like it's the most simple book ever. Yeah. So next is a book that I really recommend people to read. It's been a while since I read this book, but this is the Silva Method. I know it's a little bit broke, the book, but the Silva Method book, I mean, this is an amazing book. It talks about the brainwaves, and I got this really good idea out of this book, and I really warmly recommend to read this book. It's a really powerful book, and it talks about the waves, theta waves, and like the way you can program your mind. So this book I haven't read it for a while, but when I was reading it a couple years ago, first time, I was like, yo, this book changed my life. It has like methods in it, and it's like changed my life and got ideas out of it. So I warmly recommend to have this book. It's the Mind Control Silva Method by Jose Silva and Philip Miele. So this book is power. This book is dope. This book is gonna give you ideas. So this book, and last but not least, I just really wanted to share this Elon Musk. Last book that I want to share is this Elon Musk book. And the way I want to share it is only because like there's like for example, the calendar of Elon Musk's daily plans, and just like looking like what Elon Musk like thinks just makes you think like, yo, maybe I should try a little harder, or like it's like really inspiring if like you see it like that. And it's like, it's just for me it's a dope book, Elon Musk. If you're curious to be more productive, I feel like this is the book to just look at and get more productive. So this is the last book. So you can tell me which is your favorite book, and this is called Aurelius Book Club, that what is your favorite book and what books are you reading right now? Leave it in the comments. So yeah, ciao. Bye.